Hey there! If you're thinking of selling your home in Houston, let's talk about something way more important than curb appeal or open houses: your rights as a seller when working with a realtor. First up, you deserve total transparency. Your realtor should break down the selling process step by step. No jargon, no mysteries, just clear communication every single time. If you don't understand a fee or a contract term, ask. It's your right to get a straight answer. Next, you have the right to full representation. That means your realtor should always put your best interests first. Whether it's pricing strategy, negotiations, or marketing your home, you should feel confident they're in your corner, not just chasing a commission. Let's talk privacy. Your information, your motivation for selling, even your schedule. All of that should be kept confidential. If your agent's not protecting your privacy, that's a red flag. You also get to decide how and when showings happen. Want a day's notice? Prefer evenings only? Speak up. Your life doesn't stop just because your home is on the market. And here's a big one: flexibility. Your contract with your realtor isn't set in stone. If things aren't working out, ask about your options to switch agents or adjust your agreement. You're never locked in without a way out. Bottom line, you're the boss. The realtor works for you, and you deserve respect, honesty, and control every step of the way. So before you sign anything, know your rights, ask questions, and make sure your agent is truly in your corner. Ready to sell smart? You've got this, Houston.